In this video, we test the fuel pump relay the correct way, step by step, not by guessing, not by replacing parts blindly. We verify power, we verify ground, then we verify control logic. First, visual inspection, burn marks, corrosion, damaged pins. Step 1. Verify constant battery voltage. This terminal has permanent battery voltage, even with ignition off. Verify ground integrity. With ignition on, we should see switched voltages here. If voltage and ground are incorrect here, the relay is not the problem. Now we temporarily bridge the battery input to the fuel pump output. Notice the pump runs even without ignition. That is because terminal 30 is permanent battery voltage. Bridging the relay bypasses all safety logic. There is no TD control, there is no automatic shut-off. This is for testing only. Never drive the vehicle this way. The fuel pump is cooled and lubricated by fuel. Running it dry for extended periods may damage it. The fuel pump relay depends on the TD engine speed signal. When the engine is turning, TD keeps the relay active. If TD disappears, the relay shuts the pump off. We will explain TD generation in detail in the crankshaft sensor episode. Terminal 50 is different. It receives voltage only while cranking. During cranking, the starter signal also activates the relay. That allows the pump to run while the engine is starting. This voltage disappears as soon as you release the key. If the pump runs when bridged, wiring and pump are functional. If it does not run with the relay installed, the issue is control logic, not the pump itself. The fuel pump relay operates on a very simple logic. It requires constant battery power on terminal 30. It requires proper ground on terminal 31. It can be activated by terminal 50 during cranking, and once the engine is running, it always activates through the TD engine speed signal. If any of these signals are missing, the pump will not run. Diagnosis is not replacing parts. It's verifying signals. Verify power, verify ground, verify control signals. In the next episode, we will test the OVP relay, the component that protects and powers the control unit.